Hybrid smartwatches are gradually becoming more refined as more manufacturers understand how to take advantage of smart and connected technology within an attractive watch that you'd want to wear on a regular basis. This is Mondaine's latest smartwatch, the Helvetica Smart, and this is due in a few months' time, in around May 2018, and it's another example of just how wearable smartwatches have become. We're big fans of hybrids, and we're going to show you why. Not on this one we've got on our wrist, but on a different one. This one has a blue leather strap, this is a stainless steel body, and this is sapphire crystal over the face, and it's wonderfully reflective. It looks fantastic. Crown on the side, and this is instrumental to controlling the watch itself. There is an app that interacts, and if you've seen our review of the Alpina X, then the app is actually identical. It's all from the same family. This is a very, very good thing because Alpina's app is extremely usable. So it's excellent news. Let's go into how the Mondaine Helvetica Smart works. We'll do that with this version. Slightly different, again with an ivory face with a brown leather strap, but it's the same body, same insignia on the crown. And you can see underneath, again, this wonderful detail. This is why you buy a proper watch from a proper manufacturer, because it's detailed. It's something you want to wear and gain enjoyment from. But that's by the side. So you'll notice on the face we've got M at the 10 o'clock sign, we've got T over here, we've got S, and we've got A. Now these all relate to smart features, and to access them you can either do it through the app or you can do it by pushing the crown. At the moment it's showing the current time, a single crown press, and the hands move round to A, in this case to symbolise activity, and the minute hand went to 100, so whoever was wearing this watch before had done 100% of their activity. Two presses and we go to S, which goes for sleep. You can also hold down the crown to change between activity and sleep mode. Three presses would change to show a world time. If you're wondering what the M and the T do, well, M is your message indicator and T is for calls, telephone. So when your phone rings, it will show the hands will move to the T, and when you receive a message, the notification will read as a swift slip round to the M. So it's very simple, very readable. The watch vibrates, it's a really subtle vibration too. If you're on our wrist, very pleasant. It's simple as a hybrid watch should be. It's not overly complicated. No, you're not going to get in-depth notifications, but we'd argue that really and honestly we don't need that. This is a beautiful watch in our opinion, and as you can see it looks fantastic on the wrist. There are also a couple of other versions, including this one here with the grey insert, and then a very studious all black version. And you can probably catch the wonderful reflection on that sapphire crystal screen. Always a very big bonus. So the Mondaine Helvetica Smart is going to go on sale from May, and it's going to cost £450 in the UK, and we've been told that the dollar price will likely be around the same, so expect under $500. A very reasonable price considering you're getting a Swiss watch. This is Swiss technology, Swiss made, with very well implemented smart technology using an app that we're already big fans of.